diha mi gahapon kana mo na ilang City Hall, Foster City Hall, anya mo na ang ay apartment din eh.
Shucks, nabili na akong books for return sa library.
Return sa library. Oh, just return it later.
I'll walk
sometime.
tomorrow maybe.
So as you can see, there are like power lines.
Limpyo.
Limpyo traversing the city. Mo na pud mi na Starbucks diha na Lululemon.
Hindi lagi na Lululemon.
Happy Lemon. I'm sorry, Happy Lemon.
Clothes mong ginagawa.
Yan nataron sa is this like Foster City Boulevard. Later on kay maglakaw mi at tumig ka ng mga tanaming mga fall colors na trees. This is their park. Na makalabay ta diri kana tennis court. Covered man, di makita. Na ay dog park diri nga ganahan mi. Na every time na mulabay mi diri kay we miss our vampires, the dogs we have. We got Edward, Jasper, and Carlisle, named after the Twilight characters. You can see there's a lot of dogs there. This is a dog park. Wow. Mayon tanapon is Pilipinas eh. Yang padung dito sa lagoon nindot kayo. Na mga boats diha ana going to the lagoon. Yeah. Siyempre apartment na po. Kanya dere may grocery na Asian store dere, they call it Ranch Market.
I like the Korean restaurant there.
Na Korean diha nga among kaunan lami pod. Walk the dog. Look at the dog's very happy, wagging his tail.
No, maragi check the dance. So I'm taking your lalav to the back roads.
Okay, just drive carefully.
I can drive.
I know, basta driver, sweet lover.
I can drive man basta kana kabaw katulto lang ko, so I'm okay with Foster City kay kana katulto ra man. So be ready with your camera because we have a scenic route.
Oops, dili naman siya makita kay na siya murag wall.
Ano siya levy.
Power lines. May nagbike dito.
Pero kanina ay green kay priority ang bike.
Priority ang bike kung na ay bikers. Nindot kailan kami. Look at that color.
And look at that, white house. Ang akong kuan na gamay ra kay car. It's a Sunday. I think people are sleeping in.
So, mo niya mong ipangita po karon ka ng mga fall colors like that one. Oh, dindota. Okay, ang purpose kay magkuha na po may boxes of books to be sent this coming Saturday for our little project in the Philippines. Hindi ko balik-balik no, but I have to. A way of thanking the volunteers po,
At sponsors
and go out their way to help, not just their time but
kuan board.
sponsors sila bayad po.
Time and money.
Time and money. Thank you for them.
Okay, be ready.
Okay.
On your, I think the best is on your right. Hinay lang ko ba? There
that.
Amazing.
That's the lagoon there.
Incredible.
I've been trying to capture that for a long time.
Oh my
I
God,
cannot.
beautiful place.
I
Amazing.
can't kay curve siya niya. Na-capture ni ma?
Yep.
Woohoo!
Okay, din hilang sata. So that's one of the school na kanang
Oh,
atbang
yes.
kanang atbang one of the school na donated their books to us.
That is Foster City Elementary School.
Yeah, thank you for that for this the Foster City Elementary School. Thank you. Oh, they got a book fair. Right.
Oh my God,
Okay.
there's a book fair.
That's it for now. So, Metro adto ta sa sud. Na din na ang makita mo ang on your left is orange color, on your right is the yellow color na leaves. Let's go.
Ooh, a squirrel.
Squirrel. Looking for food. Hello, squirrel.
Nagkan mag-peanuts ka na. May libreng peanuts diha sa...
There's the squirrel.
Di na mo doon na to.
Hello, squirrel. Nara. Look at that color. It's so beautiful. So, naran sa city. Look at the color. Suda para maklaro gid. Oh, nindot kay nga trees. Beautiful, beautiful. So, ang oras karon alas 2 Gs sa hapon. That's the tower center. So, na ako ron sa tunga. Atong ituyok. Nindot kay ilahang kuan. Kanindot. Look at that. That one is yellow, green, orange, red. Ay, napoy vlogger dito. Hi, bossing. Hello, nami sa park karon. Nananaw og kana change na color na dahon.
Fall colors.
Ang color. We're
Fall
having
foliage man siguro ito.
yeah, we're having a good day. Walk in the park and nag-breakfast, nag-pick up of books.
Yeah, pretty
So,
nice day.
Pretty nice. It's a good day. And then we will continue to mangita og
Walk around.
walk around.
Napay na nice area across the
Okay.
street sa Visa na area.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day, everyone. Dagan kay ano, squirrel. Hello. Squirrel.
Nagduwa ang squirrel.
Squirrel. And then, mo ni nga tagag na pa squirrel dito. Hi, squirrels. Hello. Kadungog mo ano? So, di lang kami naglakaw-lakaw diri na po may upan no. Sila po. lagi ay. Murag kamerang duha diri. Oh. Hi bossing. Kaway. So we're back at the Metro Center. On
Mura
the,
siya secluded na village, no?
yeah, it's on the other side.
Yan ka nang tapad dari kay favorite na mga cafe.
Look at the colors.
Nice din siya kaya. Really nice.
Nagtagil lang.
We should have bought a place here, Lala. We were too young then. We don't know how to invest our money.
Ninduta. The colors. Ano nga tagak na dahon. Nataron sa pikas na side.
Mahuga.
There's the sun. Okay, bye everyone. We have a good day. I hope you have a good day too.